Breaking news. Hello, folks, and welcome to this breaking news for Onchain Wallet. So, if you did Onchain Wallet, you know that airdrop is almost ready for Onchain, and Onchain had requested that recommended that we add OKX wallets. Reason being that Onchain mainnet is already integrated on OKX, but now there's been popular demand, requesting to allow using other wallets to add to on-chain. So to do that, just in case you have added your wallet already, you've opened OKX and you are not comfortable with OKX and want to use any other wallet, very quickly just go onto your on-chain bot. So I just find on-chain game. That's a chain game, right? Go to play, and once you are there, it opens. You can see my wallet has been registered already for the airdrop, so I'm already set. But then they are now saying, okay, if you are not comfortable with the wallet you're using, you can change it by just clicking on change wallet. Here you can choose any other wallets, Trust wallets, MetaMask, or any other one. So I think there are three here: MetaMask, Trust wallets, then OKX. So just in case you want to change, you can change to Trust wallets. If you don't have Trust wallets, go ahead and download it from Play Store and register. It's a decentralized wallet, unlike OKX. So go ahead and change your wallets in on chain just in case you want to. That's the news I bring you this afternoon. Thank you for watching. So if you're a new visitor to this page, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe and like this video. Share it with your friends who are on chain, right? And let them get this information so that if you have not you don't like the OKX wallet that you added already, you can change it to either Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Thank you for watching and God bless you.